Kneel or bleed. Your choice.
I do not kneel.
Papa, no!
Find the Tian Mai seal. Leave nothing standing.
Listen. Don't cry. Listen. There is a temple. Top of the world. Go. Become what I never could.
Papa.
We take no strays, no orphans, no beggars, no beggars.
Still there?
Bring him in.
I'm managing a problem before it manages me.
This is a sparring trial.
Elder Kong Yuan is occupied.
Don't bother getting up after.
3-on-1. You're scared of one.
What? How is he?
I don't know what that was.
You're still standing. That's enough for today.
Welcome to the future of storytelling. This is Topview AI Drama Studio, where creativity meets artificial intelligence. Here, stories are no longer imagined. They are generated, directed, and brought to the life using power of AI. For cinematic drama scene to full episode storytelling, we are building the new world where one creator can become a full production studio. Welcome to the Topview AI Drama Studio. So let me show you how this Top AI Drama Studio works. Just come up on this website of topview.ai. So now you see, guys, that it has some many stuffs like social content, art, video, films, UGC. You can just create any types of video you want. Now we're gonna talk about Drama Studio, guys. This is a game changer, guys. You see, guys, here you can upload the script, novel, or tap your story idea. The agent will plan, script, and create the video for you. So, and then, guys, so you can just if you have like a PDF, you can just upload it here on this upload script or novel, okay? And then if you just want to create like a single episode or series, you can just choose any type you want. And then, guys, here for these professional writers, and I'm going to use these professional writers, there is top tier writer and assistant writer. Here, let me choose this professional writer. All right, so guys, and I'm going to use these prompt. So I just want to create the cinematic 5 episode of this martial art. It's a story about the young boy, guys, okay, who want to revenge. Okay, so let me just paste it here, and then let me click here, guys, and then this drama studio is gonna do something. So guys, now let me just come up here on these settings. Okay, so I have already chose the multiple episode. About this ratio, guys, I just want to use 16:9. Okay, and then here for the first episode duration, later episode duration, let me give it like 30 seconds. Okay, so English, all pages. Okay, and then let me generate, guys, is going to arrange my ideas. Okay, so guys, the generation is already done, guys. Here they ask you if you can, let me just generate the full episode for this outline. Okay, so this drama studio is going to generate these 5 episodes. Okay, guys, as you see here too, now you check it out how these things it looks like. All right, so you see, guys, I have the 5 episode, and then the all duration of my 5 episode, it is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And then this is the log line, okay, about my young boy, okay, which one to revenge. Okay, so this is the first episode, the second one, the third one, fourth one, the fifth one, guys. You see, every episode it is available. So now I'm going to generate the details of episode 1. So now let me type generate the details of episode 1. So now let me click on generate, guys. First, I'm going to generate the details of episode 1 only, guys. So when I'm done, I will go on the next episode. So now you see the script, it is done. It has 2 bits, that means it has 2 cents. Now let me just view the edit. Now you see all the details of my first episode. Okay, let me just come here on this enter video production. You see, guys, let me wait a little bit. All right, so now you see my prompt. Okay, so what I'm going to do, this episode 1 has 2 cents. So first, let me generate this scene 1, which has 15 seconds. Okay, so when it is already done, I will generate the second scene also, guys. The second scene also, guys, has 2 minutes. So the first scene it is already done. Now when you play, guys, you see how the things is, guys. This is a game changer, guys. Okay, this is impossible, man. Okay, so this first scene of the episode 1, it has 15 seconds. Okay, so what I'm going to do, and I'm going to press on this second scene, okay, and then clicking on generate video. So now I have to wait a few little bit, guys. Okay, all right, so it's already done. Okay, so and then when you play, now you see
Listen.
what it is happening.
Don't cry. Listen. There is a temple.
That means all the story
Go.
is
Become what I
continuity.
never could.
This is real nice, guys. I can't believe this AI. Okay, so now let me just come back here on this workbench. So the episode 1, it is already done. Just come up here for this outline, and I'm going to work on episode 2. Okay, so what I'm going to do, okay, this episode 2, it is called Get. Okay, so this drama studio, it is already generated your full ideas. Okay, and I'm going to generate the details of episode 2. Okay, so now when I place enter, guys, so let me also just wait a few little bit. You see, guys, what is happening, guys. This drama studio, Topview AI, I can't believe this, man. So and then let me just go on enter video, guys, to for this second episode, it has 3 cents. You see, first it has 12 seconds, second one it has 12 also seconds, the third one it has 6 seconds. Okay, so now you see my prompt, and then I'm going to generate the video, guys. Okay, this Topview AI Drama Studio, guys, it can help you to create like a whole episode, like a whole season in just few minutes. So guys, this is how it can works, and if you just want to try it for yourself, guys, go to check it out in the link description down below. You will thank me later. If you have any question, please drop in the comment down below. Let me know what you think. Subscribe, leave your thumbs up, share, etc, and I will see you in next video. Peace.